Hello everyone, today I will talk about best screen recorder software for your computer, and it is OBS Studio. OBS stands for Open Broadcaster Software, which is free, open source and cross-platform screen recorder and live streaming software for your computer. OBS Studio is supported in Windows, Mac OS and Linux operating system. Using OBS Studio, you can screen record your computer or display capture with Facecam. You can make video tutorial and live stream in social media like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, etc. You can use OBS Studio freely for unlimited screen recording and live streaming in social media. So, it is one of the best screen recorder and live streaming software for your computer. You can use it in Windows, Linux and Mac OS operating system. Now I will take you to the official website of OBS Studio and show you how to download and install OBS Studio in your computer, and I will also show you how to screen record using OBS Studio. Now go to a browser and search OBS Studio. Here you can see the OBS Studio. So go to this website, and no problem, I will give you the website link on my video description box. It will help you to download OBS Studio easily. Now you have to choose the operating system that you use. So if you are Windows user, click on Windows. If you are Mac user, then click on Mac. And if you are Linux user, then click on Linux. I'm Windows user, I will click on Windows. Here you can see download is started. You have to wait for it. OBS Studio is downloaded. Now we have to install it. To install it, just open it. Now click on yes. Then click on next. Again click on next. Now you have to choose a folder where you want to install it. Then click on install. And it will take a short loading. You have to wait for it. Here you can see OBS Studio installed. Now I will click on finish. So it is the OBS Studio. It is installed successfully. Now I will open it. So here you can see this is our OBS Studio. So by default OBS Studio will be looking like this. You have to take a scene. So click here on this section, click on plus. Now create a new scene. Here you can see scene 3. Now click on OK. It is scene 3. Now we have to take sources under this scene that we want to display. Under scene 3, now I will take a source. Just click on plus. Then if you want to screen record, then click on display capture, then click on OK, then click on OK. Here you can see this is our display capture. You have to adjust it like this. So if you want to screen record along with your face cam, then click on plus, then click on video capture device, then click on OK, then click on OK. So here you can see my face along with the screen record. So if I click on start recording, it will record our screen along with my face cam. So you can adjust your face cam like this. You can adjust or you can resize like this. So if I click on start recording, it will record our screen. So now I can make video tutorial using this OBS Studio. So if I click on start recording, here you can see the timing. It means screen recording has been started. Now it will record our entire computer screen along with our face cam. So what you will show in your computer screen, it will be recorded using this OBS Studio. Using the OBS Studio, you can live stream on Facebook page, Facebook profile, Facebook group and your YouTube channel. So how to live stream using OBS Studio, I have already made a video on this. You can check out. This is our OBS Studio, and which is the best screen recording and live streaming software for your computer.